Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, we are going to learn about cross join statement. So this is a very important interview question for all the SQL professionals. What is cross join? Till now we have learned about a join to be require a common column for each table to join multiple tables. Even a common column is not available inside the table, then how it is possible to get the join statement and getting the two table data into the common report? Yes, it is possible in cross join. Cross join clause will give you a product create a plan to information of a product of the rows is nothing but product of the rows of two or more tables. The join is different from the joins such as left join, right join and inner join. The cross join does not have any matching condition. It retrieves the data from the two join clauses. For an example, a table is having a table with a join. Table A is having join with the statement with the table B. It is a multiplies having m into n rows. The multiplies table A into B that way. So see how the cross join would be select star from this. Just I'm writing a simple example. Select star from this table and a keyword called CROSS cross join with even I'm not applying of this customers or product. Yes, even column is there, but I'm not applying that column way. So cross join I'm applying. See, if I am executed this statement, you will get multiple data records. See, it's a multiplied by A into B. How? The same way it is going to be creates the duplicate data and it will be representing. See, it's almost 1,59,890 rows or products are created and it is representing using cross join. Unless until if you are not having any possibilities to make the join statement, then only you need to write the join cross join. It's a product is a Cartesian product. Also it will be called as Cartesian product. So very important to know about this join, which is a table is not having a common column. Even it is possible to write the join and get the fetching the records using cross join. So strongly remember, it will be a very great interview question. I'll see you in the next lecture.